Now that I've got most of this painted up, obviously I didn't video most of the painting, it's kind of boring, but I painted it all nice. I got some red, some black. It looks really clean and nice. I could have done better. I'm in a bit of a hurry. I'm looking for Christmas time gift here, so I'm trying to get things done early. And it's kind of an off-roady, mud bogging vehicle, and I'm not too worried about it being perfect. I just want it done and, you know, mostly protected from the weather, get some good paint on it. So I've got the frame nicely painted and all the other parts painted, and I'm pretty much ready to start some reassembly on this. So I'm going to get on the reassembly, try and get the front end done here this morning before I have to go to work.
Warning: this video may contain scenes of extreme untidiness. Viewer discretion is advised.
Picked up some new tires. It's nighttime and I'm just really trying to get this thing done. So I got home from work and I want to put these tires on the rims at least tonight. I ordered these from Walmart.com, picked them up at the store, and they are, let's see here, D-Stone, some sort of a cheap brand, but it doesn't really matter, just fairly matching the original brand. So I'm going to see if I can get these on. I've never mounted these kind of tires before. These are tubeless tires, but since these rims are in really bad shape, they're just not likely to hold air anymore, I'm going to use the tubes that were originally on it because they're still in pretty good condition. So let's see if I can pull this off. Here we go. Moment of truth. I gave it a squirt with the starting fluid, and it popped. So you know, it fired. So I've got my gas tank sitting in here. It's just sitting on the axle right now, which is obviously not going to work. But I've got the fuel pump into it, and everything's set up and ready to go. Let's see what we get here. No, turning it on is good. Yeah, baby. That'll work. Mostly. Probably take some tuning.